t's. In this case, it's t. So on that question there, that p is just a number and q is just a number. So it's only the t's, the power of the t that you would actually, and so that the x is a number as well, that's a number. So it's only the t's that you would raise the power and divide by the new power. So it's not a variable, they're just numbers. Right, moving on swiftly then. As we did in differentiation, if we had two things multiplied together, we needed to expand the brackets and get the product of them. So we needed the answer simplified. We couldn't do it as a product. And as a quotient, we needed to divide through by a term so that we get these individual terms that we can then integrate. So looking at the first one here, for A, we've got the integral of, now we'll have to put it in the form of 2x to the minus 3 minus 3x to the half, and we're integrating with respect to x. So we have to put it in a numerical index, a numerical power, before we can do anything. So that would be add 1 to the power, divide through by the new power, add 1 to the power, and divide through by the new power. There's minus x to minus 2, and then that's going to give me minus 2x to the 3 over 2 plus c. We could put that as over x squared, and just leave that as positive index. Is everybody happy with that? That's okay. So you've got powers there, but you have to put them in terms of a positive or negative number, and the root, you've been tested again, that's to the power of a half. Looking at part B, we're going to have to multiply that out first of all, and then integrate. So x times x squared, 2 over x, dx. So expand first of all, will give us x cubed. And the next term will be just 2, yeah? Because it's x over 1 multiplied by 2 over x. When you do that, the x's cancel out, so you're left with a 2. Yeah. So in the same way again, we add 1 to the power, divide through by the new power, and a constant becomes 2x and then plus c. That was really quite straightforward. So your algebra has been tested here, and your algebraic laws of indices. That's how it will come in. Differentiation and integration, you have to simplify first and then do your integration. Right, part C, the last part please. Right, we've got the integral of 2x all squared plus root x plus 5 all over x squared dx. Right, we've got a bit of a mixture here. We've got to square the bracket, and we've got to divide in the fraction, we've got to divide the top by the bottom. So if we do that, 2x all squared is 4x squared, and then that's x to the half over x squared plus 5 over x squared. It doesn't matter if you take 2 or 3 lines to do that to simplify, but you've got to do it at some point. Right, what do we get then? It's the integral of 4x squared. Laws of indices, when you divide, you subtract, so a half minus 2 is x to the minus 3 over 2, and that's going to be 5x to the minus 2. That would probably be worth 2 or 3 marks just to simplify it first of all. Then we'll get a method mark for integrating and then simplifying. So we're going to add 1 to the power, divide through by the new power. Same with this one. And then plus the c. Right, can we simplify that the best we can? So we've got a method mark for doing that and one accuracy mark, but then we pick up another couple of accuracy marks by simplifying. So the first one's okay. The second one's going to be minus 2x to the minus a half, minus 5x to the minus 1 plus c. Now if you want to tidy that up even more, if there was a substitution of x, that would be 2 over x to the half, or root x, minus 5 over x plus c. Okay with that? Does anybody need to ask any questions? Okay. So we're up to total exam standard now, and what I'd like you to do from the following exercise, and that's also just about finished now. One more bit to do actually. I'm not going to rush through it today, I just think we need context practice on this one. So, I'd like you to do question 1. 2, and we'll do the second column of question 3. Now that's the absolute minimum for practice for these ones, okay? And what I'd like you to do, because we'll be working on this to the end of the lesson, what I want you to do is finish this for next lesson I see is the stats lesson, so it's going to be Tuesday. Friday, I know, but that'll be the stats lesson. So I'll say next Tuesday, the 29th of November. I see you on Friday, but I'll be doing stats with you, so that gives you a little bit of time to get these ones finished off. Okay? So can you start working on that? You've got about 10-15 minutes to get through those, and then anything that you don't, you can finish for next week.